Following the confirmation of a case of vaccine-derived polio in a 2-year-old child in Tikrikilla, West Garo Hills district, a team from the World Health Organization (WHO) visited the village and collected samples from local children. According to Ram Kumar S., Secretary of Health and Family Welfare, the team identified the need for improved monitoring in specific pockets of the state. During their visit, the WHO team also observed cases of measles rubella in the region of study. The WHO team collected 28 samples from children in the affected village, all of which tested negative for polio. Health officials are closely monitoring the situation to ensure preventive measures are in place.
We sent the samples on 19th of August itself. They've received it on 19th actually. That particular case, whether we have got some reports from whether the child had immunity and etc. It seems to be okay, and there is a certain protocol. Once a certain value of vaccine-derived polio or any kind of polio is reported, there is a protocol from W.H.O as well as from Ministry of Health to do certain level of sampling in the villages for the children, as in screening nearby, everything. So all of these things have already been done. And we had collected about 28 samples, children samples from the village, and none of them have had any, they all turned out negative for any polio. So there is no issue about it. It seems to be a very segregated case of this particular child.